Well, hello there. How are you today? This video is taken of a 2007 Chevy Equinox with the 3400, and I had a ticking in the motor, tick, 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 which you'll hear in a second here. And I was thinking, geez, lifter noise, bad lifter. And then I popped the hood the other day. Now it's got 100,000 miles on it, so not unbelievably high. But I popped the hood out the other day, and this is what I found. This is the noise you hear. And this is when I first popped the hood. You can hear that. Tick, 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 tick. It's one day last week it was going tick, 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 tick. It'd go away and it'd come back, and I'm like, that doesn't sound like a lifter then. But the noise sounds like a lifter. So I'm like, geez, this is an old pushrod motor. Could it really have a loose lifter? And then as I was zooming the camera in here, just holding it steady finally, look at that plug. Can you see it? I'm like, wait a second, what the heck? Look at that plug. You see the plug wire moving back and forth? I shut the motor off right there and just wiggled the plug wire and started it back up. No more noise. I don't know if anyone's ever seen this. I have not pulled it apart yet. This was just the other night. But I'm assuming that the porcelain is loose in the spark plug. That's my guess. And I don't know if anyone else has had this noise and couldn't figure it out. They thought lifters and everything else. I'm assuming I haven't, like I said, I didn't pull it off because it was late at night and I didn't have any extra plugs, wires, if the boot rips or anything else. So I didn't want to do it right then. But the noise went away when I played with that plug wire. And you notice the plug wire is not moving back and forth anymore. A little bit, with the vibrations of the motor, but just thinking that anyone else ever seen this? Again, I'll pull it apart here in the next day or two here when I get a chance, but there's definitely some kind of tick. It's almost like it's arcing out, but the movement of the plug wire makes me think that maybe the porcelain's loose. So, thoughts? Maybe? I don't know. What do you guys think?